Hello, my name is Irvin Fow, and this is my Week 3 Object-Oriented Programming Wiki. And this week I got assigned to design the menu classes for the Enigma machine. So let's just jump right into it. So this is the welcome menu. It's pretty basic. All it does is welcome the user and give them the option of running the program or exiting. Here we have the directions menu. So the directions menu just gives them the instructions on how to use the program. It will run right after the welcome menu, and that's about it. So far, that's all I can see for menus we will need, but if I'm wrong, it will be pretty easy to make some more menus. So, not too worried about that. Here's the code. All it does is load the menus. So, I'll show you. Oh, whoops. Oh, I gotta update the paths they're on. I'll be right back. Alright, I fixed the paths that were in these load file classes. Oh, while I'm at it, I'll just show them to you too. They're the same load menu classes I always use. You know, it's got the file reader and the buffered reader and the while loop and all that, the catch. They're both identical, except for the file it's opening. So, yeah. Now I'll show you. See? Welcome to the Enigma machine program. Select an option. And, yep, here are the directions. And that's pretty much it.